regime. And when you detained, immediately they put you in naked position, and they start to mock us around with the insulting words. And I stayed in detention in second time nearly for 70 days, and I had 2 interrogations. And during that 2 interrogations, they apply all kind of tortures. And in some cases, they put wire into your penis and the genitals. And they beat you whenever they wish to do so with baton or the thin wires, bunch of thin wires altogether. And I was beaten with the thin wires on my feet. And in one occasion, I had a stomach ache, and I couldn't bear, and I asked a medication. And instead of giving me medication, they started to beat me. And this is your medication, they said. And the other insulting words is just F, with the F words. F your mother, F your wife, and you are not human, you were born to be a slave for us, and whatever the words you can imagine to insult to someone else, all of those words are used there.
Thank you. One last question.